I recently purchased the Oilkas Eclipse Glasses, a pack of 12 solar eclipse glasses that claim to be NASAA approved and CE and ISO certified for safe direct sun viewing during solar eclipses. As an avid skywatcher, I was eager to put these glasses to the test and ensure the safety of my eyes during this celestial event. Here's my detailed review of the product, design and build quality. The Oilkas Eclipse Glasses are made of sturdy materials and have a solid build quality. The frames are constructed from durable plastic, which feels comfortable when worn. One of the key selling points of the Oilkas Eclipse Glasses is their NASAA approval and CE and ISO certifications. These certifications indicate that the glasses have undergone rigorous testing to ensure their safety and compliance with international standards. Visual clarity. The lenses of the Oilkas Eclipse Glasses are quite dark, as expected from eclipse glasses, which effectively filter out the majority of the sun's rays. Nevertheless, considering the primary purpose of these glasses, the trade-off is reasonable. Comfort and fit. The Oilkas Eclipse Glasses feature a one-size-fits-all design, which may not be the most comfortable for everyone. Although the frames are adjustable, they felt a bit tight on my face and left slight imprints after extended use. It's worth noting that the glasses come with protective wraps for storage, which is a thoughtful addition to keep them safe when not in use. Value for money. Priced reasonably, the pack of 12 Oilkas Eclipse Glasses offers great value for money. Considering the certifications, safety features, and the number of glasses included, the durability of the glasses ensures their long-term usability, making this pack a worthwhile purchase. Conclusion. Overall, the Oilkas Eclipse Glasses proved to be a reliable and safe choice for direct sun viewing during solar eclipses. The NASAA approval and CE and ISO certifications instill confidence in their effectiveness and safety. While there is a slight compromise in visual clarity and the fit may not be perfect for everyone, these glasses provide adequate protection for your eyes during solar events. If you're looking for a cost-effective option to observe solar eclipses, the Oilkas Eclipse Glasses are a solid choice.